In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add tabs in Google Docs. We'll guide you through each step to ensure that you can manage your document effectively by organizing it with tabs and subtabs. To start, open up Google Docs in your web browser. You're free to choose whether to start with a blank document or an existing one. Either will work just fine. Once you have your document open, look over to the left side. There you should see a plus icon. This button is your gateway to adding a new tab in your document. Go ahead and click on the plus icon. You'll notice a new tab has been created instantly. It's as easy as that. Now, this new tab becomes a part of your document, allowing for better organization and easy navigation when you have a lot of content to manage. Next, you may want to highlight this new tab to make it more prominent or simply easier for you to find later. Highlighting is a useful way to make specific sections stand out, especially in larger documents that require easy access to key parts. To do this, click on the tab you just added and choose the highlight option. With just a few clicks, you've now enhanced the visibility of your tab. If you're considering a more detailed structure, perhaps adding a subtab is on your to-do list. You can achieve this by selecting the Add Subtab option. This is particularly useful when working on projects that require hierarchical organization, like breaking down chapters into subsections. However, if you need to remove a tab that's no longer necessary, that's straightforward too. Simply click on the tab you want to delete and select the delete option. It's as quick and easy as adding one. Keep your document clutter-free by managing tabs that are essential. Furthermore, Google Docs provides an alternative method to add tabs if you want to explore other options. Navigate to the Insert menu on the toolbar, click on it, and select Tab from the drop-down. This gives you yet another way to add tabs to your document. Experimenting with these different methods can help you find the one that's most efficient for your workflow. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to adding tabs in Google Docs. With these steps, you've transformed how your document is structured, offering you and collaborators a more efficient way to navigate the content. Don't forget to revisit this video if you need a refresher or share it with someone you think might benefit from it. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope you found this guide helpful.